I got a key tip for you. If you have health insurance through a place of work and it comes with a prescription benefit, that prescription benefit often is a detriment, not a benefit, because many times you'll be able to fill that prescription on your own, not using the pharmacy plan you have at work, for less money than what you have to pay through the pharmacy plan. Because often they'll have like a $15, $20, $25 payment you have to make. But I'm able on my own to fill prescriptions many times for less than $5. That's right, simply by shopping around. A lot of people use things like GoodRx. I'm a Costco member, I go there. If you're a Sam's Club executive member level, which is called Plus, you can fill many prescriptions for free. That's right. Sam's Club gives you those prescriptions at no cost at all. You can find the list of free prescriptions on samsclub.com. I'm Clark Howard.